Good day. Have a good day, folks. Oh, what is growing here? I guess it's either a tree, an ash tree maybe, or a rose bush. We can take a look at its progression the next days and weeks. Here we have some snowdrops, winterlings, and you can hear the birds sing. And maybe I'll sing a song with them because I have a little tune on my mind. So yeah, I would like again to take let's take a general look today. Here we have a blackberry, and here you can see the way they grow. They first make one branch, and then they split from this branch in like a 90-degree angle to the sides. Yeah. And now this little path here is free to walk as I'm standing here. And in a few months you will have to cut all these plants back, as you can see here, because they don't see any sense in leaving a space free for humans to walk when there is sunlight to catch. Yeah, here we have another blackberry, and blackberries are also one of the plants I'm especially interested in. And what I've realized after watching maybe thousands of blackberries is that there is an interesting variation among them. So some have like sharper edges at the leaves. Some leaves are more broader. Others are a little thinner, and so on. Maybe we can make out some variations here on our little track. It's a warm day, nice sunny day, and yeah, I'm very much looking forward to spring and summer right now. Oh, here we have a nice example of the blackberry, of its growth pattern. So it comes out of the ground here. See, then it grows up, grows until it finds something to lay itself upon, and then it grows back to the ground. So this blackberry could now grow back to the ground, and then it will hook itself into the ground. It will grow a root again. So it is like rooted on both sides. And here again we have a blackberry, and here you can see the mentioned variation, because this seems to have only a three-fingered leaf, whereas here you have a five-fingered one, or almost five-fingered. Here a three-fingered one. So as I've said, there is an interesting variation to witness in these different blackberries. And of course, that's not the only reason I like them. I like them, of course, also because of their blackberries, of their sweet fruit. So yeah, you can see the blackberries are all over the space here. And I just love it to walk the woods like in the late summer, early fall, when you can just eat the fruits, just pick one or two blackberries there. What's up with you guys? There's a little bird conflict going on here. Oh, why don't we take a look at this place here? As I said in the last video, this is a very wet area here, and here we can see this type of wet grass. I have to look it up what it could be. Here we can see it coming out of the ground. So if there's rainfall, then this whole area here will be covered in water. And yeah, there we can see these type of water grasses coming out. Yeah, and it's really mossy. Yes, you can see. I would love to climb this right now, but I can't, holding the camera in the hand. But take a look at this. This tree right there. That's the backside of the strange mutated willow tree. Let me get over here. Looks rather interesting. I mean, what tree is growing like that? Which tree does naturally grow like that? I mean, it grows back into itself, seemingly right here. And yeah, it's twirled and twisted around. I mean, this looks really strange. I mean, come on, look at that. It grows out from here back into there again. I mean, how's that possible? Yeah, but let's get back to our main road here. I think I go out the front. And here we can see the willow leaves from last year. So these long leaves, you will recognize them in a month or so. So yeah, that's this strange mutated willow tree. There is the branch I'm looking for. You are able to see the mutation. Again, I have to look it up. There is a name for this kind of mutation. It is a known mutation. Let's put it like this. And it's something in the production of the branches, the structure of the branches that is different in these mutated ones. Here somebody cut off a piece of willow and just left it there. So I take it. Yeah, here again is this wet area. It's now rather dry, although we had some rain days before. Maybe you are able to see these few green leaves there. Yeah, these are the honeysuckle leaves. There we are, you can see it. Beautiful. Oh, and here we have some more greens. I think this is blackthorn. Some blackthorn. The focus won't do it right. Here we have a rose, I think, rose variety. Yeah, this seems to be blackthorn sprouting, coming out. Yeah, as you see, everything is covered here in this honeysuckle. And I expect it will be so interesting to see the transformation of this little path here. Because this now looks, yeah, as if there would only grow some trees right and left. But soon there are these different climbing vines which cover all this area here. Here again we have some blackberries. I mean, look at the variation here. These leaves look black. And there is a blackberry, and look at that variation. It splits like in 5-6 branches. And yeah, as I've shown you, in the few minutes ago, the blackberry rises up, looks for something to hold itself onto with its spiky thorns, and yeah, then it grows back again. Maybe here we can see this, yeah, it really grows back down again and back into the ground, hooks itself into the ground. You see, there it is. There it is. Here you see here you can see it, yeah. The roots. So it roots itself back into the ground. And yeah, that's why the blackberries can be rather annoying, because you stumble over them and you can fall, and then you fall into the thorns and so on. Yeah, look at this beautiful honeysuckle bush right here. Oh, and when it will bloom in the summer, I wish I could send the smell or record the smell with this video, but that's not possible. Again, blackberry right here. Here you can see that something is growing up here. Some viney, something with vines. I mean, this is probably some rose or old blackberry branches. Yeah, yeah. And maybe forgot to mention what these trees are, which are pretty much all along this little track. These are hazel trees, hazelnut. Yeah, and it's another example for uh, the wealth which nature provides us. Actually, if we are ready to indulge in this wealth, there are so many blackberries growing here, so many hazels growing here, that it can provide for so many people, food for so many people. But instead, what do the people do nowadays? The modern man goes into the supermarket, buys apples from, I don't know, from the other side of the globe, that had to be shipped here. Yeah, here we have the crocuses. They are also beginning to fade now. Oh, and here we have something else to look at. These little red bugs right here. They're now hiding. Yeah. See this little red bug? They come out of the, I think of that wood. They lay their eggs into that wood material, and then they come out as soon as the temperatures rise. Maybe there are some right here. No. Okay, guys, that's all for today. I look forward to see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.